Imagine a world where everyone can manage their stress and anxiety, where employees lead motivated, confident and balanced lives at work and at home. At Cognomie, we believe that we're at the beginning of a paradigm shift, one where organisations across the world are waking up to the importance of taking care of the mental well-being of their employees and their families, one where individuals can take ownership of their mental health. We believe in changing the conversation to reduce mental illness.
At Cognomie, we realise that when it comes to mental health, it's as much about prevention as it is about treatment. Over the past few years, we've developed a brand new approach founded upon proven psychological models that allows care for employees everywhere. After our users complete a questionnaire, our especially designed algorithm will match them up with the ideal professional coach. We also provide access to resources and workshops, all tailored to the individual and all managed on our proprietary platform.
Our mental fitness movement is bringing the highest quality coaching experience to as many people as possible. Our community of professional coaches, therapists, counsellors and psychologists is growing at pace.
And at the centre of what we do are real human conversations. Having a human connection leads to optimal results for our users and sets us apart from our competitors. The approach we've developed is not only more effective, it's also scalable.
We already have hundreds of practitioners within our community, and now it's time to scale and give more people the world over the opportunity to take a proactive approach to their mental health and to reduce mental illness.
In fact, we've built a unique platform that can host thousands of customers, thousands of coaches, and all of their conversations.
In terms of data, a recent estimate suggests that poor mental health can cost UK organisations up to £45 billion a year. For every £1 spent by employers on mental health interventions, they get £5 back in productivity. It is clear that companies are putting this closer to the top of their agenda as they see the real and urgent need, as well as the return on investment that a mental fitness programme can bring. This shift has allowed us to partner with many big corporations such as the NHS, Deloitte, Merck and LVMH. Our partnership with these large corporations are paving the way for more and more companies to follow suit. In just 3 short years, our journey has been incredible. We went from generating our first revenue in 2019 to now having a growing, diverse, international community of coaches, an international client base and expansion initially through Europe and Middle East. We have now secured distribution partnerships and are ready to expand further across Asia and North and South America.
Their vision is inspiring, their mission is clear, and they have an exceptional leadership team in place. That's why I decided to invest in Cognomie, and I continue to do so.
So we invite you to be part of a mental fitness revolution by joining us as an early investor in our company and helping us to make well-being accessible to workers around the world.